our way of life, much the same as yours. Our values, our faith changed everything. And this number is about the person called Tika ki te Ope, a warrior out of our village on the island of Rarotonga that foresaw and foretold of the coming of the new gospel, of the new faith. He said something new will happen in our land. An almighty being will arrive. The oceans will churn. Flowers, there's a special flower that will bloom to signal the arrival of this new faith. Tika ki te Ope went throughout the village, the district of Whakatakituma, and told everybody, from Rangiatea on one side to Te Muri Motia on the other side. He told everybody, but nobody believed him. But still, his message was, your gods will be, there was a new faith, there will be a new God to arrive on this land, and your gods will be no more. Tika ki te Ope. At dawn, a vision at dawn. The oceans will churn. New bride at dawn. A beloved woman. Vision, a promise that sounded from the east, Rangiatea, to the south, Te Muri Motia. A vision, a promise, Takitumu, Listen. Look, a mighty God will arrive and the oceans will move. The land will move. You will see a new being. Do not blind your heart to see this vision. Do not ignore. For in the end, it shall become. The flower, the ngatai will blossom. Peace will arrive. The new faith of Jesus Christ. Sweet and beautiful. Beautiful, bright and shining. The land will tremble. Lands will move. We shall be united. Taki to move.